This video guides you through replacing the battery in a 2021-2024 Kia K5 key fob. Changing the battery yourself is a simple DIY task that can save you time and money compared to dealership service. We'll cover everything you need to know in the next few minutes. Replacing the battery yourself will save around $80 to $120 compared to having it professionally serviced. The 2021-2024 Kia K5 key fobs all use a CR2032 3V lithium coin battery. Confirm your key fob matches the design shown on screen to ensure this guide applies to your model. Using the correct battery type ensures optimal performance and longevity of your key fob. You'll need a few basic tools for battery replacement. First, a small flathead screwdriver, which helps pry open the key fob casing carefully. If you prefer, a plastic prying tool works as an alternative to avoid damaging the plastic. You'll also need a new CR2032 battery, the standard 3-volt lithium coin battery that powers the key fob. Finally, a soft cloth is recommended to protect the key fob casing from scratches during disassembly. Make sure you have all these tools prepared before you begin the replacement process. First, locate the small notch on the side or bottom of the key fob. This is where you'll start the disassembly process. Insert the flathead screwdriver into the notch and gently twist to pry open the key fob casing. Be careful not to apply excessive force to avoid damaging the plastic clips. The K5 fob is a two-piece plastic shell held together with clips, so be gentle when opening. Once the key fob is open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Note the orientation of the battery. The positive plus side should be facing up. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation, ensuring it sits securely in place. The battery life for the key fob is rated at around 1 to 2 years. Align the two halves of the key fob casing and gently press them together until they snap securely. Ensure all the clips are engaged and the casing is flush. Double check for any gaps or loose parts before proceeding. After reassembly, test the key fob by pressing each button: the lock button to secure the vehicle, the unlock button to access it, the trunk release button to open the trunk, and the panic button to activate the alarm. Ensure the vehicle responds accordingly for each press. If the key fob doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation with the positive side facing up and ensure it's properly seated in the fob. In rare cases, you may need to cycle the vehicle ignition 10 times to reset the key fob if it malfunctions.